Oh, hi, Lacey. You have to go around back, sweetie, so I can give you your food. Is this your favorite? Is this what you want? Yay! All right. You can meet me around back. But Solo's gonna get me. Solo? I see what you mean. Oh, that is not right, Lacey. No. That's why he does that. I don't care. I'm crazy. Okay. I don't know about crazy, but I guess he's your son. You can do what you want. Go be pigbags. Uh-oh. Why can't you guys work it out, man? Because I don't know. Hang on, sweetie. You come out here, Lacey. Come on, sweetie. Okay. All right. Here. Enjoy. You two are so crazy.